Good. We could do 3 minutes. We just did a 3-minute stay and he did great. So we're gonna work on that. I was gonna talk with him. I realized it's all gonna be sped up. But yeah, he's doing great with building up duration. Has been working with him. We're not there yet, but it's been getting better. It's been slowly getting better. I'd say that's the most difficult part for him. But with that, he is making progress. He does have research going on for very specific things. Oh, yes. Wow, you went really long. You did great. You did great. Yeah, Jerry, call upstairs. They were downstairs in the basement. We'll see.